What's up, my homies? Insane here today, and today I am here to bring you some sick content on Roblox. Now, this is my first time. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's not. Well, hey guys, Insane here, and today I will be recording my second video on Roblox because I want to. So yeah. Also, before I even do anything on this video, I'm trying to make a game on Roblox, and I've tried. Look, your profile. Go to my profile. Also, my avatar has changed. Yeah. So we go to creations. Yeah, I've tried to make games here. So yeah, if any of you can help me with that, I'd really appreciate it. And also, don't say get Builders Club because for some reasons it doesn't let me. Like, oh look, let me go to the Roblox things, Robux, and it's gonna say, nah, even though you have $10, you can't buy this shit. And it's like, really, bro? Like, I want to pay I want to buy some stuff. Wait, whoops. Look. Yeah, see, balance $10 plus tax. Okay. And look, it's just an error. And then I'm gonna go back to it without tax. And look what it's gonna say. Error, you're a fucking faggot, Insane. It's like, really? So don't say Builders Group. I'm gonna see what I can do on that. Like I said, if you could help me on that, I'd highly appreciate it. And I would give you a shout out on one of my vids. But anyways, now to the gameplay. The game I am going to play is Flood Escape. Flood Escape, mate. Now, I think you already know the main purpose of this game. It's literally to escape the flood. Yes, that's all you have to do, mate. Just escape the flood. Did I say flood the escape? I think I said flood the escape. Escape the flood, sorry. So yeah, now what you have to do. And oof! Anyways. So yeah. So it's gonna load. And I am a beast at this game. I've been playing and I have like 18 or 19 wins. I'm not even lying. I'll see you there, guys. Alright, we're here. Alright, let's see. Let's play. Alright, before we even do anything, let's put the extras. Dash. And we gravity coil. Oh yeah. Let's see why I have to do gravity coil. Watch this. This is how I jump out. It's like, yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm going, like I said, I'm a beast at this game. Yeah, oh shoot. It's like the ground is already a trampoline. And it's gonna help me a lot, especially in hard. Ain't that right, Chomper? That's correct. Oh shit, mate. We got tightrope training, bro. Oh no, this is very hard. Not really. I've done this map a lot. And I successfully escaped. Now, this is what you could do with this thing. You see? Oh shoot! Oh, it's too cocky. It's too cocky and confident. Oh shit. Don't be cocky or confident, guys. Cause that's what happens. Oh, well. Get out of my way, door. It looks like that guy's still alive. He's lucky to be alive. I'm gonna get out of my way, booches. Also, I'll be uploading this video on my main channel and Club Insane. And on Club Insane, I want to welcome Iron Wolf and GBP. Yep, GBP. Because the GBP, like, during the recording of this video, joined like an hour ago and made his first video. So yeah, I wanna welcome him, and I don't know if he joined like this morning or yeah, this morning of this recording. Let's take it. All right then. Extended vent. Oh yeah. Now I don't have to worry about anything like why is the bloody shit. Okay. No, you see, I can literally just go out here. Really, I don't have to wait for unless she has the weak coil thing too. Does she? No, she doesn't. I don't think so. Oh, she better hurry up. Ah, she did. You know she did. This is it. Oh, I never been on this one. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. All right, so what? Can I jump that? I don't think I can. All right. What? Oh, right here. Okay. Oof. Oof. All right. Let's see here. Okay, then let's go up here. Yeah, there's the music. Okay, now what? Ah, shit. Parkour. Ah, I almost died. Okay. I cannot. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, the blue thing is right. It's right there. Just better hope this. I don't need that. Just gotta hope I don't need it. And I gotta make it in time. If I don't hurry up, I'm gonna drown. If I don't hurry up, I'm gonna drown. If I don't hurry up, I'm gonna drown to death. I'm gonna drown to death. I barely made it. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, no, stop. What is the game doing? Create a game. No. This jump testing it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I actually did it. Oh yeah, boy. And I have the right to say that because I actually skipped. I deserve a big boy medal. The big boy award. The big boy award. Alright, so we have Unicorn Dreamer, and Pineapple Splash Girl. I think that's her name. Oh, this one? Oh, I know this one. The Fight Pass. This one I know like in the back of my hand. Alright. Oh, shoot. I do miss this one part. Because I have to grab it. Oh, yeah, I jumped too far. Oh, shoot, mate. Oh, you see, guys, don't be too cocky, mate. You see, this is what happens to people who are too cocky. And is this us too? Well, goodbye. I guess. Pineapple, hurry up. Ah, I almost died. Oh, shoot. Unknown order. Yeah, it's very unknown. Yeah, you know what? I don't have to take this. Never mind, I think I do. There you go. Thank you. I'll let you suffer. I don't need you. I'm sorry, eyelash girl, but you're not important in my life. I don't even know you, for that matter. So, I'll be willing to leave you behind. Unless you're like one of my crew buddies, and yeah, I will want you to survive. She made it. Okay. The more the merrier. Ah, she's gonna die. She fell. Like, there's 3 steps to know you're gonna fall. I mean, die. 1, you stop out of nowhere like a freaking idiot. 2, you fall or trip or whatever. Yeah. 3. Oh shoot, mate. Oh shoot! Oh, I didn't die. Dude. Okay. Thank you. And 3 is they die or they sacrifice themselves. So yeah, then you know they're gonna die. Ah! I almost died. Is she still alive? No, she's not. Yeah. Alright, come on, I'm so close. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Alright. Come on, Daddy needs to escape. Oh yeah, boy. Alright. Just 1 down, 1 left to go. Yes! Oh, you know what this means? What this means? Oh shoot! I'm gonna get it right now. Hold up. I love that victory music. It's like, yes. All right. Well, no one's there, so I'm going to tune this out. And yes, I got a trophy. Woo! Trophy. Yay! Got a trophy, booch. I got the trophy, you lame booches. Get in my face. Elevator machine broke. Yeah, I think I can tell that. I think I know that game. I'm looking for the information I need. Okay. Ah, shit. Oh, shoot. I could have jumped to the end. I know I could have. I'm a freaking idiot. But I did the parkour anyway. Cause I'm a beast. Ah, vertical. This my favorite. My freaking favorite. Alright, get this. You know you boy about that one. Ah, shoot! Ah, shoot! Ah, shoot! Dang it, I died, mate. Alright, that's good. That's good water. You know, we wouldn't be here without water. Water. Oh, shoot, 11 minutes already? Wow. I have like 2 more minutes to record. Okay, then. Okay. You're gonna be left behind forever. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Fuck you guys. I got myself and this sweet gravity coil. Oh, no, I could. Oh, yes. I love this one. Unknown order. Yeah, you know what? It doesn't matter, really. Because I can just jump. Alright. This is why I love the zombie taunt. Fresh meat. Fresh meat. It's the weirdest recording I've ever heard. And it makes it funny. Alright. Come on. You're killing me, Smalls. Come on. Hurry up. Exactly. Don't leave your master waiting. Okay, you can't jump there. Oh, I almost jumped her off, cut her off. There. Oh, I think she got cut off. Oh, that sucks. Oh no, yeah, she's. Who's all? Okay then. Oh wait. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. Zah! Get in my way, booches. Alright. So you go sacrifice yourself. And hurry up, please. Please hurry up. Oh, I'm sacrificing myself. Wow. Okay then. Well, just remember me, guys. Okay. Remember me. Or maybe I can make it time. Maybe, just maybe I didn't. Frack you guys. You didn't sacrifice yourselves. Especially you, that one kid. You see, he died. See, what a noob. Fresh meat. Yeah, you see, Chomper the T-Rex. Such a noob. Noob-tastic, bro. Alright. Oh, shoot. Guest, hurry up, man. Hurry up, mate. And unlike other people, actually, I'm okay with guests, really. Cause like, what is it? Oh shit. Oh, okay. I fell and died. Okay, no, I did fall and die forever. Ain't that fun when you fall and then you know you're gonna die, so you just give up on life. I know I do. No, let me in. No, don't let me in then. Boy. You know, I should be ending this already. No. Hey. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'd highly appreciate it. And yeah, see y'all beautiful people later. Boy.